Ano ang kaibahan ng foreclosed property at acquired asset ni Pag-ibig Fund? Good question po ito, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Sige po, may good answer tayo para sa mga Pag-ibig Fund housing loan borrowers. Please watch the full video. Alright? Let's get started. Unang-una po, ma'am, if may foreclosed property na kayo, makareceive kayo ng notice from Pag-ibig Fund na foreclose na po yung housing unit ninyo. Yes, ma'am. What I know, ma'am, is after 3 demand letters from their collecting agent na third party, tapos wala pa rin kayong payments or action sa tatlong demand letters po nila na mag-update kayo sa payment, and may 1 year grace period kayo to settle your accounts. Ang result niyan, ma'am, or scenario is foreclosed property na po yung unit ninyo. Yes, ma'am. Once na foreclosed property na po, wala na po kayong chance na ma-settle ang unit po ninyo. Kasi binigyan na kayo ng grace period na 1 year to pay all your payments or payables, including principal amount, interest, tsaka penalties. Ayan po. So ano naman po ang acquired asset? Ang acquired asset po is, yan na po ang next step ni Pag-ibig Fund after foreclosure ng unit ninyo. Kasi once na foreclose unit na po ang property ninyo, ang title po ng property po is ma-convert na to Pag-ibig Fund. Once na converted na po yung titulo ng lupa or housing unit ninyo to Pag-ibig Fund, that's what we call acquired asset. Simple said, dati yung titulo ng property ninyo is nakapangalan sa inyo. Once na acquired asset na po, Pag-ibig Fund na po yung name ng title. As a result po, ma'am, illegal occupant na kayo if nandyan pa kayo sa property na yan, and yung property nyo po is for public bidding na po yan, ma'am. I-open na po yan ni Pag-ibig Fund to all other housing loan borrowers. Yes, ma'am, i-publish po yan sa local newspaper, and then may schedule po yan sila for public bidding. So, yung highest bidder po sa bid na yan will be the new owner of the acquired asset. Ayan po ang difference ng foreclosed property at acquired asset ni Pag-ibig Fund. Hope na nasagot natin ang question nyo, ma'am. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Lahat ng mga good questions, may good answer po tayo dyan sa channel po natin. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.